You're watching this video because a parent or a family member is considering HomePride as a potential bathroom remodeling partner. If you're watching this as an adult child of an aging parent, we want to start by saying something very clearly. Your concern is valid. Bathroom remodeling is a high-ticket decision, and when seniors are involved, the fear of someone being pressured, confused, or taken advantage of is very real. Nationally, elder financial abuse costs older Americans billions of dollars every year. And a meaningful portion of that, unfortunately, comes from bad actor businesses, which include contractors. So if your instinct is to slow things down, ask questions, and protect your parents, that's not being difficult or intrusive. That's being responsible. And we share that concern. HomePride doesn't meet with families because we want to rush anyone into a decision. We meet with families because something has already changed. A fall, a near miss, trouble stepping into the tub, or fear around slipping. Our role is to understand what's happening and help determine whether a safer bathroom is actually the right solution or not. A consultation is not a commitment. It's a conversation to answer 3 questions. What's the real risk? What options exist? And does any of this make sense right now? Sometimes the answer is yes. Sometimes it's wait. And sometimes it's no. All 3 outcomes are respected. Now, many families assume that safety concerns automatically mean assisted living or long-term care. But often, the real issue is isolated to one space, the bathroom. Targeted safety upgrades can reduce fall risk in the most dangerous room of the house, which has slippery floors and hard, sharp corners, all while allowing your parents to stay in a place that's familiar, dignified, and emotionally grounding. That's not just a financial decision, it's also a psychological one. We don't use high-pressure tactics, we don't force decisions, and we don't discourage family involvement. In fact, if a contractor does, that's usually a red flag. We want you in the conversation. We want you asking questions. And we encourage you to research us, read the reviews, watch the testimonials, verify our credentials, compare us to other remodeling companies. Trust isn't something that you're asked to give. It's something that a company earns. So if a decision is made, it should be made with clarity, not fear. That's the environment that we work very hard here at HomePride to create. If you want to learn more about us as a company, how we operate, we invite you to visit our website, www.homepridebath.com. There you'll find our Learning Center, which has multiple articles, videos, testimonials, all talking about what separates HomePride as a bathroom remodeler and why trust and transparency is so important to us in what we do. We thank you so much for watching.